Today we'll be talking about a new project which is presented by Rajashi Developers Private Limited. Yes, Rajashi Developers Private Limited presents Rajashi Green City. Rajashi Green City is a premium residential villa layout situated at Dodderi off Mysore Road, Bangalore. The offer price is 2,499 rupees per square feet. Yes, you heard it right. The offer price is 2,499 rupees per square feet. So, Rajashi Green City is approved by RERA. The full form of RERA is Real Estate Regulation Development Act 2016 has also approved this layout. The objective of RERA is to bring the reforms in the real estate sector in India. Similarly, RERA will bring greater transparency, accountability, and financial discipline among the developers. Rajashi Green City is also approved by BMI CAPA approved layout. The full form of BMI CAPA is Bangalore Mysore Infrastructure Corridor Area Planning Authority has also approved this layout. People who are going to own a site in Rajashi Green City, each and everyone will get individual A khatas. Now let's talk about the plot dimensions. The plot dimensions which is available are 30, 40 and odd sites. Now coming to, let's talk about the amenities. The amenities which people will get in Rajashi Green City are, it's a gated community and each and every road will be of around 30 feet roads. Now let's do the calculation for a 30-40 site in Rajashi Green City. As I told you, the per square feet will cost you around 2,499 rupees per square feet. The total cost of 30-40 site will be 29,98,800 rupees. HDFC Bank will be funding 80% on the SR value. The SR value in Rajashi Green City is 1,800 rupees. So 1,800 into 2,499 rupees will work out to 21,60,000 rupees. So HDFC Bank will be funding 80% of 21,60,000 rupees. So which will work out to 17,28,000 rupees. So that means people who would like to avail a loan and own a land in Rajashi Green City, they should make a down payment is 12,70,800 rupees. The remaining 17,28,000 rupees will be funded by HDFC Bank. Rajashi Green City is around 4.6 kilometers from Mysore Highway, Kaniminiki Toll. So Rajashi Green City is a premium residential villa layout. So people who are interested to own a land in Rajashi Green City, they can contact us on 99800 So for site visits, you can reach out to us on 99800 Thanks.